Hey everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, if you didn't know that already. And today, I'm craving something sweet, which is actually kind of weird for me because I never crave sweet things. Usually I'm just craving salmon. That being said, I am pushing the salmon aside today to make room for something sweet. So what I decided to create on this video today is salted caramel pudding. But there is a kicker because I'm going to be adding, you ready for this? Riced cauliflower. You're probably like, why the fuck are you doing that? Why do you have to put cauliflower in your damn pudding? Cauliflower is literally in everything else these days. Well, the reason why I want to add cauliflower to the mix is number one, cauliflower is good for you. It adds extra fiber and so on and so forth. But I feel like the riced cauliflower is gonna give this pudding a texture that is similar to maybe like tapioca pudding. Am I wrong in that thinking? I don't know. We'll see right here on this video now, won't we? And if you guys decide to make this recipe at home, well, you'll figure that out for yourself too. So clearly I've never made this recipe before, just like all of the other recipes here on my YouTube channel, so we'll see if this actually turns out. But I have high hopes because the ingredients I'm using today are super freaking tasty. You wanna see what I'm using? First off, the pudding I'm going to be using is Simply Delish Vanilla Pudding. This stuff, so damn good. The next ingredient we're going to be incorporating into this mix is coconut milk, unsweetened coconut milk, because I'm gonna obviously mix these two together to make this nice and creamy. Then, in order to make this salted caramel, I am going to be adding MCT oil powder that tastes like salted caramel. Guys, holy hot damn, this flavor. What? It's on a whole other level of whoa. And then finally, I am going to be adding my riced cauliflower. So are you guys with me? Do you wanna make this pudding with me? I really hope you do, cause wait a second, there's actually one more ingredient in order for me to make this recipe. Are you ready for it? Hold on, gotta grab it. Ta-da! My Archon Mount. So, if you guys have seen my previous YouTube videos, you've noticed that I do over-the-head shots to show you guys how to actually make the recipe. Well, in order for me to do those shots, I whip out my Archon Mount, and I get down to business. This thing is literally magic. It is magical. It is just so sturdy. It's right here on the counter, and I can manipulate it to do overhead shots like such. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I use it in order to make my magical YouTube videos. Is that a stretch? Do you guys think my videos are magical? I mean, I think a lot of my recipes are magical, I'm not gonna lie. My mouth is like, what the fuck? You're a wizard. I have to set this up right in front of me here. And then we're gonna get down to business. You see this? This is where the cell phone goes, exactly overhead. So I've got my phone right here and I literally just stick it in like that and then you guys will see the overhead shot. So let's make this pudding, shall we? My audio keeps falling down my tits, everyone, and it's driving me fucking crazy, so don't mind me as I feel myself up. Okay, can you just stay there for 4 seconds? Okay, everybody, wasn't that a really simple recipe? However, smells a little like cauliflower, so I think I need to taste test this to make sure it's good before all of you try it. I'm gonna go for what I put in my serving dish here because I put a little bit of this ChocZero Caramel Syrup on top to make it a little extra sweet. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit! Oh, no, 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 no. Are you kidding me? Are you absolutely positively kidding me? I gotta try it in here without the ChocZero just to see. Oh my God, it's all so good. It's so good. Oh, fuck. Doesn't taste like cauliflower at all. It tastes like all of the incredible ingredients that I put in here, which I have links to in my description. And holy crap, I promise you, when you try this recipe, you are gonna be so frickin' happy. Holy shit, I made magic in here, magic. But of course, not without the help of this beautiful baby right here. So if you guys are interested in this magical contraption, well, check out my description below for further details. I gotta go because I have to make love to this. This is seriously sex. And my YouTube channel is not porn, so that's why I have to say goodbye right now. That being said, do let me know in the comments below if in fact you are going to make this recipe and what other recipes you want to see me make here on my YouTube channel. Because I am back, guys. I am back. I have felt really unmotivated to make YouTube videos because of quarantine and all that kind of bullshit, but I don't know. I got a second wind and now I'm ready to attack food in my kitchen, aside from salmon. So again, let me know in the comments below what you want to see here on my channel, not porn, and I'll get to it. All right, I'll see y'all next week. Bye.